Today we are discussing with one of the important chapter of the class 10 trigonometry, which is the future related chapter in your upcoming higher classes, that is an intermediate session. Trigonometry. In the trigonometry is a word divided into two parts. There is a trigo and a metron. That is, trigono means three, metry means measure. That is a measure of the three angles in a triangle. That is, we can observe different types of triangles. Triangles are 16 types. That is, based on sides and based on the angles. That is, based on the sides, we know equilateral triangle means a triangle in which all three sides are equal. Isosceles triangle, a triangle in which any two sides are equal. Next, scalene triangle, a scalene triangle in which no two sides are equal. These three are the triangles based on the sides. Next, triangles based on the angles, three are in type. That is acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle and right angle triangle. Especially for the trigonometry, we will use right angle triangle. Now, let us see, consider a right angle triangle. ABC. ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle is at B. In right angle triangle, properties of the right angle triangle, let us consider once. In right angle triangle, the side opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse, which is the longest side. And in a right angle triangle, suppose these two sides are equal, AB and BC is called is a right isosceles triangle. In right isosceles triangle, sides angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. That's why it is called as a right isosceles triangle. Okay. Now let us come to our general part. Let us consider the triangle, right angle triangle ABC. In this right angle triangle, except right angle, other two angles are acute angles. That means acute angle means we know the angle between 0 to 90 degrees, which is called an acute angle. That is, what is the mean for this is, in a right angle triangle, except right angle, other two angles are acute angle. Suppose my consideration is a theta, where theta is acute. Now, in this triangle, the side opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse. Next, the side opposite to theta is AB is called opposite side. Next, the side next to theta is called adjacent side. Therefore, we conclude that what are the parts of a triangle? What are the names of different sides of a triangle? In a right angle triangle, when theta is acute. Now, the side opposite to the right angle is called as a hypotenuse. The side opposite to the theta is called opposite side. The side next to theta is called acute opposite side and adjacent side. Now, let us consider what are the different trigonometric ratios. There are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. Now, we can study in this chapter, we can study about these 6 trigonometric ratios in this chapter. Okay, in this chapter we studied about 6 trigonometric ratios. Those are sin, cos, tan, cosecant, secant and cot. Now let us discuss about these trigonometric ratios in detail. Now, what is meant by a sin theta? Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Now let us consider here what is the opposite side from the diagram. Opposite side is AB by hypotenuse is AC, that is cos theta. Adjacent side is BC by hypotenuse is AC. Tan theta opposite side is AB by adjacent side is BC. Now based on these three, next three are generated, that is the next one is cosecant theta. Cosecant theta nothing but the reciprocal of the sin theta, that means cosecant theta definition hypotenuse by opposite side. Next secant theta, which is the reciprocal of cos theta, that is hypotenuse by adjacent side. Next cot theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of the tan theta, that is adjacent side by opposite side. That is, let us see what is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC by opposite side is AB. Now just we discussed that is secant theta is a reciprocal of cos theta, that is reciprocal of BC by AC, nothing but AC by BC. Next cot theta is a reciprocal of the tan theta, that is reciprocal of AB by BC is equal to BC by AB. Okay, now just we discuss with the definitions of the six trigonometric functions in terms of words. Now we discuss the definition of trigonometric in terms of trigonometry ratios. That is, very beginning, the first one is sin theta, nothing but sin theta 1 by cosec theta. That is sin theta can also be written as 1 by cosec theta. Already we know reciprocal of sin is the cosec. Next cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta. That is, next tan theta. Tan theta, please observe the definition of the tan theta. If you divide sin by cos, what you will observe? Hypotenuse get cancelled, opposite side by adjacent side will come. That is, tan theta is a ratio of sin and cos. Next cosec theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. Next secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta, and cot theta can be written as 1 by tan theta, or which can be written as cos theta by sin theta. Now here this tan theta can also be represented as sin theta by cos theta or 1 by cot theta. Now say representation of the sign in terms of words, the definition is opposite side by hypotenuse, and at the same time again the sin theta nothing but 1 by cosec theta. Then 1 by cosec theta means a trigonometric ratio in terms of trigonometric ratio this is, but this is a definition. Next after this let us discuss some more important formulas of trigonometry. Let us see next relation of the trigonometric ratios. Sin theta and its reciprocal cosec theta. Sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Similarly, cos theta into reciprocal of the cos is secant theta is equal to 1. Next, tan theta reciprocal cot theta is equal to 1. Now let us see any one of the identity and we have to prove that one. Now let us check. Given sin theta into cosec theta, that is equal to sin theta into cosec theta, nothing but formula 1 by sin theta. Sin get cancel 1. Therefore, what we observe, sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Similarly, you can prove cos theta into secant theta is equal to 1 and tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Okay, let us see our next topic is trigonometric identities. Identities means which will gives the value equals to 1. Like such category, the first one is first prove that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now let us consider a right angle ABC. Let us consider right angle is at B. And let us consider theta is at A. Now opposite side is a BC and adjacent side is AB. Now find out the value of the sine. Sin theta is equal to, you know the definition, opposite side by hypotenuse. Now what is the opposite side? BC by hypotenuse is AC. Next, cos theta is equal to definition adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is AB and the hypotenuse is AC. Let us substitute these two values in the above formula, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is equal to sin square theta, sin theta nothing but BC by AC whole square plus cos theta nothing but AB by AC whole square, that is BC square by AC square plus AB square by AC square, that is denominators are same, that is numerators write it as it is BC square plus AB square by AC square, that is equal to, it is a right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, from the Pythagoras theorem you know very well, that is in right angle triangle the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides, that is BC square, I will write the identity here, AC square is the hypotenuse, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. From this identity, in place of BC square plus AB square, BC square plus AB square I can write as AC square by AC square, both will cancel, which will gives you 1. Therefore, what I observe, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Similarly, we can prove cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1 and secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Now from this, how many sub formulas generate we will see now. Now the first one, first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sub identity, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Sin theta is equal to root over 1 minus cos square theta. Now cos theta is equal to root over 1 minus sin square theta. That means from one identity 4 sub formulas are generated. Second identity, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. That is sub identity 1, secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Secant theta is equal to root over 1 plus tan square theta. Sub identity 3, secant square and secant both are generated now in terms of tan. Tan square theta is equal to, this tan square has a negative sign, that's why shift to the other side. Therefore tan square theta nothing but secant square theta minus 1. Sub identity 4, tan theta is equal to root over secant square theta minus 1. Next identity number 3, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Now sub identity A, cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Cosec theta is equal to root over 1 plus cot square theta. Next cot square theta is equal to, here cot square has a negative sign, that's why please shift to the other side. Therefore cot square theta nothing but plus 1 coming inside, that is cosecant square theta minus 1. Cot theta is equal to root over cosecant square theta minus 1. That is from three main identities, identity number 1, identity number 2, identity number 3. From these three identities, from each identity 4 sub formulas are generated. These formulas are future related. Whenever we are solving the problems, each and every formula will be very helpful for us. Next see, let us see some important formulas of this chapter. Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a into cos a. Next, sin 2a, one more formula, 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Next, cos 2a. Cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. Cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. Cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. Next, cos 2a is equal to 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. That means we filtered all the formulas which are belongs to the cos 2a. LHS is the same, cos 2a only, but RHS are 4 different solutions, 4 different answers. Next, tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Please observe a quite difference between these two, small difference. Sin 2a, 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square, 1 plus tan square a. Tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Next, sin of a plus b. Sin of a plus b is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. While solving the problems, we can use this formula. Now, sin of A minus B, sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. Next, cos of A plus B is equal to cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. Now, cos of A minus B is equal to cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. Next, tan of A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Now, tan of A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. All these formulas are very helpful for us while solving the problems. Now, let us see how to useful these formulas while solving the problems. Now, we will check. Okay, now let us see very important topic of the trigonometry, variation of trigonometric values from 0 to 90 degrees. That is, from 0 to 90, we can select some important values, and with respect to theta in trigonometric ratios, how it will change, let us see now. Variation of trigonometric functions from 0 degrees to 90 degrees. Now, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, and cot theta. We know very well sin theta nothing but tan theta nothing but sin theta by cos theta, secant nothing but 1 by sin theta, secant 1 by cos theta, 1 by tan theta. Now, 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. Now, we will prepare the values of these trigonometric functions. Now, trigonometric function and angle. Now, very beginning we will see the values of sine from 0 to 90. These are the standard values: sine 0 0, sine 30 1 by 2, sine 45 1 by root 2, sine 60 root 3 by 2, sine 91. Now, let us arise a doubt how it comes. Now, let us check. Consider an equilateral triangle. Consider an equilateral triangle ABC, in which all three sides are equal. Now, equilateral triangle, you know, all angles are equal. That is, it is 60, which will be break down into 30, 30 and 60, which is a right angle triangle. And in right angle triangle all sides are equal, A, but which is divided into two equal parts now. Therefore, this is a by 2 and this is also a by 2. Now, let us consider the triangle ABD. Now, let us consider the triangle ABD. Take A, B, D. This is a this is a by 2. Now, we know very well height of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 2 into A. Root 3 by 2 times to its side. Now, this is 60 degrees. This is 30 degrees. Now, I want to check the value of sin 30 first. Sin 30 degrees. Opposite side by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side? A by 2. What is the hypotenuse? A. A get cancelled. What is the left? 1 by 2. Sin 30, 1 by 2. Similarly, I want to check the value of sin 60. Sin 60 also in the same diagram. Sin 60 again opposite by hypotenuse. That is, what is opposite to 60? 60 opposite one is this one. That is root 3 by 2a. By hypotenuse is a. A get cancelled. That is a root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Similarly, each and every angle has the proof. It is just I give an example how to find out the values of 30 and 60. Now, let us see. Find the value of the cos theta. Now, I am ready with the value of the sine. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. But the order of the angle is 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Now, what we have to do is cos theta just right from the back side. That is 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Now, I am ready with the values of the cos theta also. Now, tan theta. How to find the value of the tan theta from 0 to 90? Tan theta definition we know very well. Sin theta by cos theta. That is the sin value is here, cos value is here. Now, come on. Sin by cos, divide 0 by 1. 0 by 1 nothing but 0. 0 by any number will give you 0. If you divide these two, denominator 2 to get cancelled, 1 by root 3. Both parts are same. If you divide, you will get 1. Again here denominators are same. 2 to get cancelled, you will get 3 root 3. 1 by 0 that we cannot define. If the denominator is 0, that value we cannot define. Now, cosecant theta is reciprocal of the sin theta. Sin value sin O. Then just you have to reciprocal it. 1 by 0 infinity. 1 by 2 reciprocal of 1 by 2 is a 2. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of 1, 1 only. Again, to get the values of the secant, 1 by cos theta. Cos theta values I know. Now you have to make the reciprocal. 1 by 1, 1. Reciprocal 2 by root 3. Reciprocal root 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2, 2. Reciprocal of 0 is not defined. Tan cot theta, to get the value of the cot theta, you have to do the reciprocal of the tan. Tan values are here. That is 1 by 0 infinity. Reciprocal of 1 by root 3, root 3. Reciprocal of 1, 1. reciprocal of root 3, 1 by root 3. Reciprocal of infinity, that is 0. Now from 0 to 90, I am ready with all 6 trigonometric function values. Now from this table we have observed some very important things, some important values. What are those? Let us see. Now from the trigonometric table we will observe some of the important things. Now see what are those. Hints. If sin A is equal to cos B, then A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. That is, if sin of the function is equal to the cos of the function, then A plus B is equal to 90. Let us see some example. Sin 30. Here the condition is sin function and the cos function are equal. If you add A and B equal to 90, here A is occupied 30 degrees out of 90, then the rest part is cos 60 degrees. Now see, sin 30 value, sin 30 1 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2, both are equal. Similarly, if cosecant A is equal to secant B, then A plus B equal to 90. Similarly, cosecant of the function and the secant of the function are equal if A and B are 90 degrees. Let us see one example. Cosecant 0 degrees is equal to secant. Out of 90 degrees, it occupied only 0, therefore it is 90 degrees, secant 90. Cosecant 0, infinity. Secant 90, infinity. Both are equal. Now, example next. If tan A is equal to cot B, then A plus B equal to 90 degrees. Then A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Now, example C. Tan 60 degrees is equal to cot 30 degrees. What is the tan 60? Tan function. Tan 60 root 3. Cot 30 root 3. Both are same. That is, what we observe from these three functions? Sin of the function is equal to cos of the function if sum of the angles is equal to 90. Similarly, the next group is cosecant of the function is equal to the secant of the function. Next, tan of the function is equal to the cot of the function. Then A plus B is equal to 90. Next, next item, if sin theta is equal to cos theta, then theta is equal to 45 degrees. Now see, sin value and cos value are equal at sin cos. Both are equal at 45 degrees. Similarly, if cosecant theta is equal to secant theta, then theta equal to 45. Cosecant and the secant also. Cosecant, secant. Root 2, both are same at 45 degrees. Next, if tan theta is equal to cot theta, then theta is equal to 45 degrees. Similarly, tan and cot functions are also equal. Tan function, cot function at 45 degrees. This is the important hints we observe from this trigonometric table. Okay, see our next problem. If sin theta is equal to 3 by 5, find all other trigonometric ratios. Find all of the trigonometric ratios. Also prove cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. If sin theta is equal to 3 by 5, find all of the trigonometric ratios and prove cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Now, see, given sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. Now, let us consider a right angle triangle ABC. Right angle is at B. Now, theta is at A. From the definition, sin theta is equal to definition opposite side by the hypotenuse. Opposite side represents 3, that is a BC represents 3, and hypotenuse represents 5. Now we have to find out the adjacent side. Now, from triangle ABC, adjacent square is equal to find the adjacent side square, adjacent square is equal to hypotenuse square minus opposite square. That is, who is adjacent? AB. AB square is equal to hypotenuse is a AC square minus opposite is a BC square. That is, AB square is equal to AC nothing but 5 square minus BC nothing but 3 square. AB square is equal to 5 square, 25 minus 9. AB is equal to root 16. AB is equal to 4. Now I am ready with the value of AB. The value of AB is 4. Now, find all other trigonometric ratios. Okay. Sin is given, next cos theta. Cos theta formula adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side? AB. Hypotenuse is a AC. Adjacent side is a 4, hypotenuse is a 5. 4 by 5 cos theta. Next, tan theta formula sin theta by cos theta. Why? Because I am using, why not I am using in terms of words, means I know the sin value, I know the cos value. Then sin theta value is a 3 by 5. By cos theta value is a 4 by 5. Both the denominator cancel, therefore tan theta is a 3 by 4. Now, cosecant theta is the reciprocal of the sin theta. We know well formula. That is 1 by sin theta 3 by 5. Reciprocal nothing but 5 by 3. Next, secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. That is 1 by cos nothing but 4 by 5, which is nothing but 5 by 4. Now, cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. That is a 1 by tan theta value is a 3 by 4, reciprocal, that is a 4 by 3. Now I am ready with all 6 trigonometric ratios values: sin, cos, tan, cosecant, secant and the cot. Rest one more part is left with me, that is to prove that cosecant square theta minus cot square theta, I have to prove one. That is a given cosecant square theta minus cot square theta LHS. Come on. Cosecant square theta. What is the value of the cosecant? 5 by 3. 5 by 3 whole square. Cot. Value of the cot. 4 by 3 whole square. that is 25 by 9 minus 16 by 9. Now denominators are same, that is 25 minus 16 by 9, that is 9 by 9, that is equal to 1. Therefore, what I observe, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Let us see the next problem which is given. In triangle OPQ, right angle is at P. OP is equal to 7 centimeters, OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 centimeter. Determine all trigonometric functions. Now, to prove this question, first of all, OP is given 7 centimeters and the rest two sides are not given completely, and subtraction of two sides is given 1 centimeter. Now, let us follow the diagram first. From the triangle OPQ, right angle is at P. Right angle is at P. The remaining OPQ. And it is given that OP is equal to 7 centimeters. OP given 7 centimeters. And given OP is equal to 7 centimeters and OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 centimeter. That is the given data. Now, from the diagram, hypotenuse is OQ. Let us separate OQ. OQ is equal to 1 plus PQ. This is what I observed. That is, hypotenuse is separated. Now, see, from triangle OPQ, from Pythagoras theorem we know well, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. That is, OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. That is, OQ nothing but 1 plus PQ whole square is equal to OP nothing but 7 square plus PQ square. This is of the formula A plus B whole square, that is A square plus B square plus 2AB, A plus B whole square expansion is equal to 49 plus PQ square. That is, PQ square get cancelled. Why? Because is either side equal parts. Now, 2PQ is equal to 49 minus 1. 2PQ is equal to 48. PQ is equal to 2 table 48 cancels 24 times. Now I am ready with the value of PQ. Whether you know the value of the PQ, substitute this in the previous equation. Let us suppose this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now substitute equation 2 in equation 1. That is, OQ is equal to 1 plus PQ. PQ nothing but 24. That is, OQ is equal to 25. Now, OP 7 centimeters, PQ 24, OQ 25. Hypotenuse is the longest side. When compared to these two, this is the longest. Yes. Now, after this, determine all trigonometric functions. That is, first find out with respect to. Now, I want to find with respect to O. Now, sin O is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side to the O? 24 by hypotenuse is the 25. Next, cos O. Cos O is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side to O. Adjacent side to O is the 7 by 25. Now, tan O. Tan O nothing but division of sine by cos, that is sin theta sin O by cos O, that is 25 get cancelled, that is a 24 by 7. Now cosecant O is equal to 1 by sin O, that is 25 by 24. Now secant O 1 by cos O. Cos O is 7 by 25, make it reciprocal, that is a 25 by 7. Next, cot O 1 by tan O, that is tan O is 24 by 7, that is a reciprocal is 7 by 24. Similarly, determine all trigonometric functions. All trigonometric functions is rest of the angles are O and Q, both are there, that means both you have to find. Now sin O is over, similarly you have to find out the sin Q. Sin Q is equal to again opposite side to Q by hypotenuse. To Q opposite side is a 7 by 25. Now cos Q adjacent by hypotenuse. To Q adjacent side is a 24 by 25. Next, tan Q is sin Q by cos Q. What is the sin Q? 25 get cancelled, that is a 7 by 24 is a value of tan Q. Now tan after cosecant Q. Cosecant Q means 1 by sin Q. Sin reciprocal is 25 by 7. Now secant Q 1 by cos Q. Cos Q 24 by 25, its reciprocal is 25 by 24. Next, cot Q. Cot Q is equal to 1 by tan Q. Tan Q, which is tan Q nothing but reciprocal 24 by 7. Let us see the following examples. If sin 3a is equal to cos a minus 26, where 3a is acute angle, find the value of a. Well, come to second one. If secant 4b is equal to cosecant b minus 20 degrees, where 4b is an acute angle, find the value of the b. Now, we'll come to answer to a. Given sin 3a is equal to cos a minus 26 degrees. This is the given one. We know if sin a is equal to cos b, then a plus b equal to 90 degrees. We know this rule well. That is, in place of a, 3a is there. In place of b, a minus 26 degrees is there. Now, that is according to the condition a plus b equal to 90 degrees. Then, a nothing but 3a plus b nothing but a minus 26 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. That is, 4a is equal to 90 plus 26 degrees. 4a is equal to 116. A is equal to 4 table 116, 2 times 8, remainder is 3, 36, 9 4s are 36, that is the A value is the 29 degrees. And here 3A is the acute. 3A is acute means A is 29, that is 3 into A, 3 into 29, that is 87. 87 is acute angle, 90 below degrees is called acute angle. Therefore value of A, find the value of A, therefore A is equal to 29 degrees. Come to similarly answer to B. Given secant 4B is equal to cosecant B minus 20 degrees. That is, we know the condition, if secant A is equal to cosecant B, then A plus B equal to 90 degrees. This is the condition. Use this condition. That is, A plus B equal to 90 degrees. Now, what is the A? A is 4B, B is B minus 20 degrees. That is, what is the A? 4B plus B minus 20 degrees is equal to 90. That is, 5B minus 20 degrees is equal to 90. 5B is equal to 90 plus 20. 5B is equal to 110 degrees. B is equal to 110. That is 22 degrees. Therefore, here 4B is acute. 4 times B, 4 into 22, that is a 88. 88 is an acute angle. Yes, correct. Then find the value of the B. Therefore, the value of the B is 22 degrees. Let us follow the next examples. If A, B, C are interior angles of triangle ABC, then show that. Here 2 questions are given. 2 questions are belongs to the same model, belongs to the same application. Sin of B plus C by 2. Sin of B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. Tan of A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. Now, answer to A, that is, given A comma B comma C are interior angles of triangle ABC. That is, we know well, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Reason, sum of angles of a triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Now, A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Now, according to the question, B and C are grouped. A is separated. In the same way, B plus C are grouped and A is separated. B plus C is equal to 180 minus A. Now, divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. Why? B plus C is divided by 2 in the question. In the same way. Therefore, B plus C by 2 is equal to 180 minus A by 2. That is, B plus C by 2 is equal to, divide by 2 in both cases, that is 180 by 2, 90 minus A by 2. B plus C by 2 is equal to 90 minus A by 2. In the question, B plus C by 2 is associated with the sign, that is, apply sine function on both sides. Apply sine function on both sides. That is sine of b plus c by 2 is equal to sine of 90 minus a by 2. That is sine of b plus c by 2 is equal to, with respect to 90, the trigonometric functions changes. That is sine changes to cos. Therefore the sine changes to cos. In place of theta a by 2 is there, which is hence proved. Therefore sine of b plus c by 2 is equal to cos a by 2. Similarly, follow the second condition with the same procedure. Answer to be given a comma b comma c are interior angles of triangle ABC. ABC are interior angles of triangle ABC. That is a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees. Reason, angle sum property. Angle sum property. Here written sum of angles of a triangle or angle sum property, both are same. In the second question, A and B are associated. That means A and B are grouped. That is A plus B is equal to 180 minus C, and A plus B is divided by 2. That is divide both sides by 2. That is a plus b by 2 is equal to 180 minus c by 2. That is a plus b by 2 is equal to 90 minus c by 2. In the question, a plus b by 2 is associated with the tan function. That is apply tan function on both sides. That is tan of a plus b by 2 is equal to tan of 90 minus c by 2. That is tan of a plus b by 2 is equal to, we know well, with respect to 90, the trigonometric function tan changes to cot c by 2. Hence proved.